let me show you how I installed this fireplace.
Must be one. So someone is making that home. That means it could be you.
Right, so I've just matched the skirting boards as much as I could, and that's going to be plastered. So the wallpaper will be taken off, and then this is going to be plastered. The whole wall will be plastered, so we're not bothered about this part. And then this part as well, that's not a problem at all. I managed to marry the skirting boards as much as I could. I took a meter off there when I installed these cupboards, when I made them, so that piece behind is being chopped into two, and it served the purpose there because it's a very old house. We could not find this anywhere, so there you go. Job well done. Fireplace is installed. I removed some of the tiles here. I think it was just a roll that I took off, and I made this shorter. So it's all there, ready to be painted. I think it's going to be white when it's all finished. And it's gonna look amazing, hopefully. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.